Okay, new this morning. Are you late in filing your federal tax return? I am going to say I'm not late. I'm going to say that I am slightly delayed, but not late yet. But a lot of Americans are, according to the IRS's most recent numbers, with an April 18th deadline. You might want to consider filing an extension today. But there's a catch you may not be aware of. Nick is here. What's the catch, Nick?
The catch is a lot of people believe if I file an extension, I don't really need to worry about paying right away. And that's not true. You still owe the money, the regular tax deadline. You're just getting an extension when you actually need to file that paperwork. You have to estimate what you owe in the government, and you actually still need to pay them by the 18th, regardless of whether your paperwork is completed or not. So here's a breakdown. If you owe, you're expected to pay most of your bill up front, preferably 90% of it on April 18th. Anything you owe after the deadline could see interest and late fees tacked on top of the original amount. Of course, things are happening, and extensions are meant to give taxpayers a bit of wiggle room. Now, many Americans were impacted by natural disasters this past year, so in this case, the IRS may be willing to grant you more time to file. A tax professional can be an excellent resource on what you should be paying come April 18th. Now, if you're getting a refund, filing for an extension doesn't really penalize you. It's just a simple way of giving you more time to get your documents in order. So, Adrienne, it's one of those things where people really need to figure out what they need to do and talk to a tax professional to make sure they're all lined up.
I like that. Okay, I guess that's it. Thank you, Nick. We appreciate you joining us. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.